Model 70-plate Peugeot Boxer REKA Y2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L2H2 nice fix body, grey, panel van mileage, 84,656 MOT, the 30th of October 2024 engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, locked up, will need repairing or replacing condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, sat-nav, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, 2 keys EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074